Ladies and gentlemen, I'm joined now by Assistant District Attorney J. Ronald Parrish, who's running for Circuit Court Judge of Jones County. J. Ronald, thanks for your time today, and why don't you tell the people of Jones County why you think you deserve to be the next Circuit Court Judge?
Well, I've had the privilege of serving along up in the District Attorney's Office with Tony Buckley for the last 4 years as the Assistant District Attorney for the people of Jones County. And during the time we've been up here, people know from seeing various news reports I've vigorously prosecuted child molesters, murderers, and rapists, along with numerous drug offenders. When we came up to this office, we inherited basically a total mess. Numbers of cases had to be dismissed because the prior administration had left them on the docket too long. But we picked up from there, and we've in 10 years I've had over 900 convictions of various people for some of the different crimes that I've outlined to you. And I would like to be able to go over to the circuit court now and to continue to work for the people in the criminal justice system, where we can continue with a vigorous prosecution, or the vigorous dealing, I should say, as circuit judge with those who are convicted of these most shameful and despicable crimes.
Talk to me about what it would mean to you after serving a long time here in the District Attorney's Office, what it would mean to you to be able to get that position.
Well, it's not something that I'm looking at for some kind of personal aggrandizement. What I've tried to do in the District Attorney's Office is to improve the administration of the criminal justice system in Jones County. And I would look forward to being able to continue to do that as a people's circuit judge, by increasing the number of days available for the trial of criminal cases, and by seeing that those people who were justly convicted received an appropriate amount of punishment for the crimes they commit. You know, we live in a society right now where a lot of people have lost their sense of shame, and we found that directly leads to people, when they have no conscience, committing the most despicable and reprehensible kind of acts. Just in the recent memory, I've just tried and convicted a man for killing a 2-year-old child, where a jury imposed a death penalty, which was the first time that a death sentence has been imposed in this county in the last 20 years. And I think under the facts of that case it was appropriate. But I want to continue to try to work in the criminal justice system if the people want me. But if they want me, I'm going to be doing it on the side of being their circuit judge, and as a person who has had extensive experience, and I mean successful experience, in the prosecution of criminal cases.
Is there anything else that you would like to add?
Well, you know, I could go on with a long list of various people that we have convicted during this time up here, but it's been my specialty and my determination. I've just got this special thing about people who mess around with women and children. And during the time I've been here, these people who are convicted of crimes involving women and children, by the way, I've convicted of 3 men of killing their wives, which is a rather repulsive thing to have to say, but it does happen. But people who mess with women and children have gotten special attention to me, and I promise you they didn't like it. I would like to be able to be in a position where that when a person is appropriately convicted over in the circuit court, that you've got a circuit judge that's had experience, that's been sitting there and knows what to do with these people, and can bring a fresh approach to bring some order and a quicker process to our judicial system.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it from J. Ronald Parrish himself. Remember, on November 4th, vote J. Ronald Parrish for Circuit Court Judge of Jones County.